Welcome to QuoteUp Tutorials. In this video, we will look at how to perform a price request. Let's begin. Start a new quote. In this example, we are using a quote we have already drafted. Add your client and site details. It is important that you provide your contractors with quote details and images. For example, adding details for each room. You can add or skip your pricing. Once you reach the price request screen, tap the Add a Service tab to start your first request. At this point, you will need to add the service title and service description. This will provide your contractor with a basic outline for the price request. Click Add a Contractor to add your contractor details, including name, email address, or phone. If your contractor is in your contacts list, it will be pre-populated for you. You can add more contractors by selecting the Add Another Contractor tab. Once you have selected all your contractors for that service, you can select Save Request. Now you can add another service if you need. This is handy if you would like to separate your requests by service or contractor type. For example, tilers providing pricing for tiling. Once you have added all your price requests, select Send All Requests. At this point, you can continue to the Totals page, or you can save and exit while you wait for your price requests to return. You will receive an alert once pricing from contractors has been received. Contractors will receive a web link with site, job description, and the services required. They will be able to provide you with pricing, request a deposit, and provide you with notes. For further help, please contact our support team and remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular handy hints.